a cartoon. He is a Goku. He has long and black hair, big eyes, big nose. He he is medium. He is wearing orange jumper, blue jeans and blue belt. She is Nerea. She is our English and art teacher. She has big eyes, little eyes, big nose, and little mouth. She is wearing blue jeans, black and white jumper, black skirt and white. She is beautiful, nice, but gentle. She has angry. He has black ears. He has a helmet, so where a cat says feathers. He's wearing a black cap. He's wearing black shoes and a black t-shirt. He's wearing black robe and a black belt. Shakira. She is a singer. She has brown eyes. She has yellow eyes. She has little nose. She has big mouth. She is wearing green jumper. She is wearing black jeans. She is wearing black dress. I like Shakira music. She is wonderful. She is fantastic. She is great.